So welcome back to the video. So the first thing first, I'll be showing you how to increase the number of messages or emails that'll be appearing on each page. Some people have 1 to 50, but you can see mine is 1 to 200. In the case where yours is still 1 to 50 and I want to change it to 1 to 100, and the reason why I did mine to 1 to 200 is because there are times I just want to select all and I want to delete some files here. I don't want it to be like having 50 emails on a page, and it will take me time to kind of delete them. So what I want to do is I want to have like 100 messages on my page so that I can delete everything that I want to delete that are not important. So that way it will make my work easier and faster rather than sleeping on it. So the next thing to do is I'll just delete if I want to. So you can see we have all 100 conversations on this page are selected. In some cases it will be all 50. So for you to make yours all 100, let's go to settings here and go to see all settings. Then maximum page size 600 here. So if yours is in 50, you can put it to 100. So mine is already in 100, so there's no need for me to change anything. So don't forget to scroll to the bottom to save your changes. Mine is already there, so there's no need to save anything. If you are doing yours for the first time, then this button will be highlighted in the gray color. The color will be more bold like than this. So ensure to save your changes. Then the next tips that I would love to share with you is how to undo your email. Like you've sent an email out and you forgot to add an attachment. You can quickly undo that email before it goes, then you add whatever you want to add, then you resend. All right, so this is how to do that. You come to here, settings, see all settings, come to undo send. I'm leaving mine at 30 seconds because that gives me enough room to make that change. There are times that you might have sent your messages already and you realize that you forgot to add any attachment to it, so there will still be room for you to add it. So that is why I love to be mine to be at 30. It doesn't cost me anything. 5 seconds is too short for me, so it's 30 already. So you just scroll to the bottom and save. Mine is already there, so there's no need for me to save anything. All right, so now let's practice what you've just done. Now let me compose a message here. How much? Okay. So you can see, let me send it now. You can look to your left, you can see message sent, you can see undo, you can see view messages. So I will tap on undo. You can see sending undone. So what this simply means is that the message has not gone. So there's room for me to make that. You can see my message is back, my email is back here. So I can now edit anything I want to add and then send again. But if it were to be 5 seconds, my message would have been sent and I'll not be able to do anything. All right. So the next thing I want to share with you is how to schedule your email. For instance, you are busy tomorrow and you want to send that message out because you might not have any time to do that. So here is how to schedule your email. So instead of me sending this email now, I will not tap on this send mail. I'll come to this toggle button, tap on it. I can see schedule send. So if that's what you want, or if you want to change it to Monday and you want to change the time to, let's say, 2 p.m. So you can just click on schedule send and your message will be scheduled. You can see it here. So you can view your message, you can undo. So that's the benefits of you scheduling your message. So whether you are online or you are not online, your message will go. Whether you have data or you don't have data, your message will still go. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share to your colleagues who might find this important or that might need this. All right, so for more helpful videos, don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap the notification bell so that I can get more updates. Thank you. If you have any question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section.